Good afternoon, I'm Charles Lejano. This is One News Now. More businesses are preparing to reopen as the IATF has allowed more sectors to operate in GCQ areas starting tomorrow. To give us more details, we have Shaila Francisco. She's reporting live from Makati. Shaila, what sort of changes will these establishments implement for their reopening?
Charles expects stricter observance of health and safety protocols in nail salons and computer shops when they reopen tomorrow. As early as now, they've put in place new measures against COVID-19.
Good afternoon, I'm Charles Lejano. This is One News Now. More businesses are preparing to reopen as the IATF has allowed more sectors to operate in GCQ areas starting tomorrow. To give us more details, we have Shaila Francisco. She's reporting live from Makati. Shaila, what sort of changes will these establishments implement?
No customers below 21 years old. The shop will also uninstall games as the IATF allows PC rentals for education and work purposes. Nail salons, meanwhile, have covered their seats with plastic. Workers will wear gloves all the time, and materials will be sterilized after every use. If many petty sessions used to be chismis hour, this time around chit-chat between workers and customers are discouraged. While establishments are happy to reopen, the limited capacity won't be enough to make up for the losses they sustained over the past few months. Charles, the trade industry is only allowing these establishments to operate at 30% capacity in GCQ areas. Now, failure to observe this, along with other health protocols, means these establishments may be ordered shut again. Now, aside from computer shops and nail salons, other establishments allowed to open tomorrow, August 1, in GCQ areas include pet grooming, drive-in cinemas, review and tutorial centers, gyms and other fitness establishments, and personal care services, including waxing, derma, and spa. Full body massages, however, are still a no-no. Charles?
All right, thanks for those updates, Shaila. That was Shaila Francisco reporting live from Makati. Here are other stories we are keeping our eyes on. President Duterte promises free vaccinations once these become available later this year. But he says he will prioritize the poorest of the poor. He's also entrusting the military to lead the program once the government gets its hands on the vaccine. Finance Secretary Sonny Dominguez says mass vaccination could cost the Philippines around 20 billion pesos. Malacanang is denying that the country is running out of hospital beds for COVID-19 patients. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque says public hospitals will be ordered to increase bed allocation for coronavirus infections from 30% to 50%, while private institutions will raise theirs from 20% to 30%. And the Los Angeles Lakers just beat the Clippers 103-101 in the second serving of the NBA's reopening night. The Lakers led for most of the game against their crosstown rivals, and it all boiled down to the final possession. Paul George missed what could have been a winning three-pointer after LeBron James sank a tip on the other end with just 12 seconds left on the clock. Prior to this thriller, players from both teams kneeled during the national anthem in support of the Black Lives Matter movement. For more updates, follow News 5, the Philippine Star, and Business World online. Visit our website, onenews.ph, for more in-depth analysis. And you can also catch One News on the Signal Play app. Register for a free account now at www.signalplay.com, where you can stream One News live anytime and anywhere. I'm Charles Lejano. We are One News.